All right, so this is an eBay storefront. These are featured products. This is the left navigation. These are featured category images. These can be anything. They can be brands, they can be types of clothing, they could be colors. They're supposed to be the most popular categories that someone sells so that they're displayed on their storefront. This general area here is what we would call the main banner or the hero banner. You can see his is large, but that's just what a custom design is. But so he wanted it like that, but generally this section here with this content in here is a typical size for the size of a main banner. This we would call the header menu or the header navigation bar, but this whole section up here would be considered the header. And then here's a search bar here. Pretty much the same layout goes for a BigCommerce website. Here's BigCommerce. This is his banner. You can see it's a scrolling banner. Here's his featured category images. This is just something extra he had asked us to add in, which you can do on eBay as well. And then here's his featured products. He also has a scrolling logo bar, which is something extra. And then here's the footer. Pretty much all of these elements you can also have on eBay. Of course, this would cost extra. Phone numbers you cannot have on eBay. You can't have a wish list. You can't create an account on eBay. You also cannot have chats on eBay or rewards programs or Google reviews on eBay. But this is BigCommerce, so all of that is fine. Here is Shopify. General, pretty much same thing, just different design. Here's the header, here's the banner. Featured categories, featured collection, and then footer. This menu, we call this a mega menu because it is more than one column. And it's just big. So a normal menu would just be one column, kind of how this one is. But if you include even just one drop down with more than one column in it, then we would charge them for a mega menu. And then all of the featured category images, when you click on them, you'll see that they take you into a category page. So here's a category page in Shopify, category page in BigCommerce, and a category page in eBay. You can see that the left navigation in eBay will be there on a category page, and it will expand if there are subcategories under that parent category. So you can see Kawasaki ATV is the category that we are in, and the subcategories are these ones that are indented. This customer has a left navigation in his category pages as well. But it doesn't look like they expand into subcategories. He just might not have subcategories. And then he also has a filter down the left-hand side. This would be something that's extra. People have to use a plugin or an app inside BigCommerce to have this. But if they do have it, then we would want to design it for them so it matches. Because if we don't design it, it will just match the default styles of the app that they're using. He does not have any filter or any left navigation, which is fine. It's his choice. But you can see he has a description up here. You can have descriptions like that in BigCommerce as well, but you cannot have them in eBay. And then in Shopify, you can see you can sort by right here. Or you can browse, and these are browsing by tags. Tags are something that are kind of confusing. I'll send you a link where you can read about them, but basically in Shopify you can filter by tags. this client just has sort by. The filter by, you can see it's actually called refine by, and he has this app, which again is something you would charge for. eBay, we don't really offer anything to filter within the category pages. eBay offers the all items or buy it now. I think you can turn on like sort by price, but I'm not 100% sure how to do that. That's not something that people, oh, here you go, it's right here. So this is something that eBay will add by default. This is not something that we do. We basically just design a skin that goes on top of whatever eBay offers. So this shipping to USA, this is something that eBay had put there, but we can change the font color and the styles and things like that. But these sortings and these functions right here and here are offered by eBay, not by us. And then when you click on a product in BigCommerce within the category page, you can see it takes you to that product page. And then same thing for Shopify, and same thing for eBay. He's obviously not using our template for this item, but yep. And then add to cart. Function's probably very similar to how you're used to shopping online. And then you just go to the checkout. You go through that whole process with BigCommerce and Shopify as well. And that is it.